Keto-Friendly International Cuisine, a delicious journey without carbs. Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for flavorful, satisfying, and keto-friendly international dishes, then you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a culinary journey around the world, transforming some of the most beloved international dishes into low-carb, keto-friendly versions without sacrificing taste. And, friends, before we dive into today's keto-friendly international cuisine, I want to give you a quick heads up. This video is all about delicious, low-carb recipes inspired by flavors from around the world. While the visuals may not perfectly match every step of the recipe, don't worry. Each dish is carefully explained so you can follow along with ease. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore how you can enjoy global flavors while staying keto. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete international meal plan, packed with incredible flavors from different cultures, while staying within your keto goals. So grab your apron and let's dive in. Segment 1. The foundations of a keto-friendly international meal. Now, before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about what makes an international dish keto-friendly. Traditional global cuisines often include carbs like rice, pasta, and bread, but today, we're swapping those out for low-carb alternatives that will keep you in ketosis while still delivering authentic taste. For example, instead of rice, we use cauliflower rice for the same texture and satisfaction. Instead of flour-based tortillas, we make cheese or almond flour tortillas. Instead of high-carb sauces, we use healthy fats like coconut milk, olive oil, and butter. Now, let's start cooking. Segment 2. Italy, keto-friendly zucchini pasta Alfredo. Our first stop is Italy, the land of pasta, cheese, and rich flavors. But instead of traditional pasta, we're making zucchini noodles Alfredo, a creamy, delicious dish that keeps your carbs in check. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium zucchini spiralized to cloves garlic, minced. 1/2 cup heavy cream to TBSP butter. 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat the butter in a pan over medium heat. Add garlic and salt until fragrant. 2. Pour in heavy cream, stirring continuously. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. 3. Add Parmesan cheese and mix until the sauce thickens. 4. Toss in the zucchini noodles and coat them with the sauce. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, just until they soften. 5. Serve with grilled chicken or shrimp for added protein. This dish gives you all the richness of Italian pasta without the carbs. Segment 3. Mexico, keto-friendly chicken fajitas with cheese wraps. Next, we're heading to Mexico for some sizzling chicken fajitas, wrapped in a cheese-based tortilla instead of flour. Ingredients. 1 chicken breast, sliced. 1/2 cup shredded cheese for the tortilla. 1/2 bell pepper, sliced. 1/4 onion, sliced. 1 tsp garlic powder. 1 tsp taco seasoning. 1 TBSP avocado oil. Instructions. 1. First, heat the avocado oil in a skillet and cook the chicken with taco seasoning. 2. Once cooked, remove the chicken and salt the bell peppers and onions. 3. In a separate pan, spread shredded cheese into a thin layer and let it melt into a flexible tortilla shape. 4. Once cooled slightly, place the chicken and veggies inside the cheese wrap and fold like a taco. Boom! A cheesy, flavorful keto-friendly fajita that's low in carbs but high in satisfaction. Segment 4. India, keto butter chicken with cauliflower rice. Now, let's visit India and make the ultimate keto comfort food butter chicken. Ingredients. 1 chicken breast, cubed. 1/2 cup tomato puree. 1/2 cup heavy cream to TBSP butter to cloves garlic, minced. 1 TSP curry powder, salt to taste. 1 cup cauliflower rice. Instructions. 1. Heat butter in a pan, add garlic and salt until golden. 2. Add cubed chicken and cook until browned. 3. Pour in the tomato puree and season with curry powder. Let it simmer. 4. Stir in heavy cream and mix until the sauce thickens. 5. Serve over cauliflower rice for a perfect low-carb meal with an authentic Indian touch. Segment 5. Japan, keto-friendly sushi rolls. Yes, you can have sushi on keto. Instead of rice, we use cauliflower rice, and instead of sugary sauces, we use healthy fats like avocado and cream cheese. Ingredients. 1 cup cauliflower rice, cooked. 1/2 avocado, sliced. 4 ounces salmon or tuna, sliced. to TBSP cream cheese, 1/2 cucumber, sliced, 1 sheet nori seaweed. Instructions: 1 layer sheet of nori on a sushi mat. To spread a thin layer of cauliflower rice over it, 3 add salmon, avocado, cucumber, and cream cheese. 4 carefully roll the sushi using the mat. 5 slice into bite-sized pieces and enjoy with soy sauce or coconut aminos. This is low carb, nutritious, and packed with healthy fats, everything you need on a keto diet. Final segment, bringing it all together. And there you have it. We've traveled the world and created 5 delicious, keto-friendly versions of the most iconic international dishes: zucchini alfredo pasta from Italy, chicken fajitas with cheese wraps from Mexico, butter chicken with cauliflower rice from India, sushi rolls from Japan. Each dish is high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and super low in carbs, making them perfect for anyone on a keto journey. Now, it's your turn. Let me know in the comments, which one are you most excited to try? Do you have a favorite international dish you want a keto version of? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more keto-friendly recipes. Like this video if you love international cuisine. Share this with a friend who needs keto-friendly meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.